thought it would be a little bit rude of me if I didn't let you guys know that we're giving away the VL again. So Leo, who originally won the car, decided to take the credit option after accepting the car. So here we are again. If you want to enter, check out the first comment or the QR code on the side. I've just taken the car out tonight to this beautiful location to give you guys another look. There's only 300 people in the draw currently at the time of filming this, and we're capping it at 1,000 entrants only, which is bugger all. It's one of your best chances of winning any car giveaway in Australia. Some of these other car giveaway companies literally have hundreds of thousands of people in them. If you're in the market for a VL, jump in the draw. You're not only supporting this YouTube channel, hopefully you've been following on with the build. If you haven't seen the build yet, jump back and have a look at the videos and see how much work has gone into this car. It's not a show car, it's a home built, beautiful cruiser that's ready for someone to enjoy. Here's some images for you in 4K quality, so get it up on the big screen and have a look and see if it's the car for you. I know I'd be super wrapped if I won this car. It's drawn by a legitimate software, so we're using Random Picker, which is a verified software. A lot of people believe this is a scam, but it's definitely not. I actually post a public record so you can double, triple check if you were in the draw after the draw is done. So if you haven't seen this car before, it's a 1987 Holden VL Commodore, an iconic Australian car that are becoming super rare to find in good condition these days. This car was abandoned in a paddock for 9 years, and we obviously gave it a whole lot of love over the last 4 years. It has a Nissan RB30 engine, very similar to those in the Skyline, and this one is finished off in the beautiful original color Venetian red with the grey bumper bars. It's got new headlights, new tail lights. It also has the reproduction turbo hubcaps done in the same grey. This car features this sandalwood interior. So VLs, I think, had 4 different color options, and this one is like the light creamy color. I think it suits the red perfectly. There was a different red, it was like a bright red, but this one's the darker maroon. This car is automatic and it's got power steering as well. If you've been looking for a VL to cruise around, this could be your opportunity to enter the draw. If you're already into the draw, you must be pretty excited after seeing this video, and good luck to everyone who's in it. I wish you all the best. Check out the link in the QR there for more information. And like I said before, if you haven't gone and checked out the full build, go through, have a watch, and see if this car's for you. I'll also be delivering this car to your door anywhere in Australia, but unfortunately South Australia and ACT are not eligible due to your laws. We do have full permits for running this car giveaway, so it's 100% legitimate and legal, and I have to retain records for it. There's no funny stuff going on, and as I said before, there will be a public record displayed to verify that you're in the draw. This car is a part of Australian history, and this channel is dedicated to preserving Australian automotive history. So by entering the draw, you are supporting the channel. You'll also get access to our online car community, which will include priority chat with myself, Thomas, and other community members. You can post about your project in there, ask us any questions, get tips and tricks. There's also exclusive video content and VIP invites to car cruises that we'll be doing that aren't on our public channels. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this VL restoration, and good luck to everyone who entered. And if you're not in the draw yet, get in, because I could be calling you this Sunday night, June the 1st at 9:30 p.m. to let you know that you've won this car.